Was it worth it to buy the Breeze 4K? I learned a lot about drones.
This is going to be really fun. Oh.
Let's live life without regrets. Mess around for the thrill of it.
Dude, you see this? This is crazy. Like, it's in so many pieces.
Evaluating the damage.
So I'd like to do a review of the Breeze 4K. Now that it's in pieces. Actually, it was a pretty good drone. It just wasn't very stable. In my last few minutes of holding the screen, you could see like some... It's almost like it was doing this in the air. I didn't know it was dropping, but you could see it was doing this number. And then all of a sudden it just went black. Must be when it slammed into the ground.
But show them the screen, the little screen part.
This right here is the sensors.
We could rebuild it, but
yeah, it's
the
like
sensors completely.
Dude, like this sensors. This is infrared right here. There's no way. Was it worth it to buy the Breeze 4K? Had some really good footage on that thing. But I had so many problems keeping my cell phone connected. Yeah, I think it was worth it.